Hi, I'm David with Targus. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to change the 4-digit code on your Targus DEFCON Ultimate Universal Hybrid Combination Lock. This unique lock is both a resettable and a serialized lock. It's super easy. Let's dive in. Your lock comes preset with the default code 0000. That's what we'll use to start this demo. If your code has already been changed from the factory setting, you'll need to know the current code to reset it. First, let's verify the current combination, 0000. Rotate the crown of the lock. It will only turn if the lock is in the unlocked position or set to the correct combination. Ready to change your code? Here's how. 1. Keep the lock on the unlocked combination. 2. Grab a small, sharp object like a paperclip or a small flathead screwdriver and turn the lock head upside down. Locate the reset button on the bottom of the lock. Now, using your paperclip, press and turn the reset button 90 degrees clockwise. Next, rotate the number dials to set your preferred 4-digit combination. Once you've chosen your new code, use the paperclip to turn the reset button 90 degrees counterclockwise, returning it to its original position. And that's it. Your combination is now updated to the 4-digit code you selected. To confirm, turn the crown to ensure the lock opens and secures properly. For extra peace of mind, mix up the dials and try turning the crown again. It won't budge. Your lock is now secure and ready to use with your new code. A couple important things to keep in mind. You can change the code as often as you'd like, as long as you remember the current combination. But what if you forget your code? Normally, you'd be stuck guessing from 10,000 possible combinations or cutting the lock. With this hybrid lock, there's a better solution. Each lock comes with a serialized master combination provided to the lock administrator at the time of purchase. This feature saves you from endless guessing or damaging your lock. Want to learn more about the serialized method? Check out our other video for a full walkthrough.